Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. In this video, I'm going to take you through a quick 10 minutes practice. This is basically Vajrasana series, so all the practice will be done in Vajrasana. This is going to strengthen your knees. So if you have sensitive knee or knee pain, please avoid this practice. Keep your eyes closed, become aware of your whole body from head to toe. Feel your whole body. Now, some rounds of deep breathing. Inhale deep. Slowly exhale. Inhale slow and deep. Exhale slowly. Try to inhale slow. Exhale even slower. Deep inhale, very slow exhale. Slow, deep inhale, very slow exhale. Keep practicing. Slow, deep inhale, very slow exhale. Slow, deep inhale, slowly exhale. Now relax and feel the impact of the practice on your body and mind. Okay. Now slowly clench your fist. Now opening your fist, raise your arms up above the head, stretching your fingers apart. Inhale. Exhale, slowly bring your arms down, clenching your fist at shoulder level. Inhale up, stretching your fingers apart. Exhale down, clenching your fist. Inhale up, stretch your fingers apart. Exhale slowly down, clenching your fist and placing it at shoulder level. Inhale up. Exhale slowly down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Deep breathing. Slow deep inhale, stretching your fingers apart. Slow deep exhale. Slow inhale, stretching your fingers apart. Slow exhale. Slow inhale. Slow exhale. Slow inhale, fingers apart. Slow exhale. Slow inhale. Slow exhale. Okay, now keep your forefingers under your armpit, opposite arm. So the right arm will be under the left armpit and left one under the right armpit. Thumb will be outside. Continue deep breathing in this position. Inhale slow and deep. Exhale slower. This is the key. You have to inhale slow. Exhale even slower. Inhale slow, expanding your chest up. Exhale even slower. Inhale slow, expanding your chest up. Exhale slower. Inhale slow. Exhale slower. Inhale slow. Exhale even slower. Inhale slow. Exhale slower. Okay, slowly release. Next, from Vajrasana, you have to slowly take your upper body back. Slowly lie down. Be careful. Now you can place your palms under your head one over the other, or you can place your head on the mat directly, whichever way is comfortable to you. And here practice deep breathing. This is Supta Vajrasana. Inhale, slow. Exhale, even slower. Inhale, slow, expanding your body. Exhale, even slower. Inhale, slow. Exhale, slower. Inhale, slow. Exhale, slower. Inhale, slow. Exhale, slower. Inhale, slow. Exhale, even slower. Keep practicing. Feel the flow of the breath. As you inhale, feel the expansion in the body. As you exhale, feel the relaxation. Now relax. Feel the impact of the practice. Now it's time to sit up. Make sure you sit up first and then extend your legs forward. Do not extend your legs forward when you are in Supta Vajrasana. Now you can sit in the extend your legs forward, relax your legs first, and then slowly lie down in Shavasana if you need your legs to be relaxed for some time. Relax. Feel the impact of the practice. The whole practice you did in Vajrasana, which is very important practice for digestion, for good digestion. This also strengthens your knee and it influences your respiratory system and your brain as you are continuously practicing deep breathing here. Remember, slow inhalation, slower exhalation. That is the key. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Let me know how you felt about it, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.